Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a backflip on a trampoline for beginners. Alright, so first off, you want to jump. When you're first doing it, your first time, you don't want to jump too high, or else you're just going to freak out, and you don't want to jump too low. So the first drill I have people do is, I don't know the actual name for it, I call it the backdrop. So what you're going to do is just stand, fall into your back, and then go over. It might be hard at first to do it, but if you practice it, it should become easy. So all you're gonna do, land on your, make sure you're flat on your back, not here or like that. Just land flat on your back, stand here, literally just, and have your legs fold over and just go over. So once you get confident with that, the next drill is just basically to get the fear of going over backwards. So what helps with a lot of people is trying to, first off, starting out like this, doing like that, and then keep doing that and get more and more vertical. So starting off like that, see, you're not going right over. Once you get more comfortable with it, you can start going like that, and then more comfortable, kind of just throwing yourself backwards to get over the fear of doing a backflip. And then once you're doing it basically fully over, you'll notice yourself, you're basically doing a back handspring. So once you have that, the fear's gone, then you can try a backflip. So for the backflip, you're gonna bounce, average height, not going crazy, and not standing either. So just here, and then when you do it, as soon as you land, you want your arms back, and as you go up, shoot them up. You want to go up here and do that, and then you don't want to throw your head back on the backflip. A lot of people just do that, and it just doesn't look good, and you won't have good height. So you want to use your arms and keep your head neutral at all times, okay? So when you're doing it, bounce, your arms, head neutral, and then basically you're just gonna flip. So you just gotta commit to the flip, do it a few times. You might land on your knees or whatever, but just keep doing it, and eventually you'll be able to spot your landing. When you do it, you can either tuck or don't tuck, whatever you feel comfortable. So yeah, you can either grab here or here, but yeah, all it is, swing your arms up, don't throw your head back, rotate, tuck if you want to, and then just spot the landing, and you're good. So I'll show you it. Here, arms back, up, just like that. Alright, thanks for watching guys. That's how to do a backflip on a trampoline for beginners. Arms back, up. So thank you so much for watching. I just want to give you something to think about. So in Jesus there is freedom, joy, and peace, and I think we're all longing for that. So check out the ministry channel below. Feel free to check out that, and also my addiction channel above. There'll be a card above me. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.